And here's the Ekena Millwork. This is a Bradford ceiling medallion in case you want to cover up any bad sheetrock for when you're hanging a light. This is the Fairbrook Cura light that we hung up there, but very nice to add. We had good enough sheetrock up there when we mounted this light, but it adds just a little bit extra. You can get this primed. You can get it factory primed. You can get it in different colors. Hand painted in different colors. Obviously the cost is going to be more. You can paint it yourself. We decided to actually color or paint it the trim color. You can paint it the ceiling color, but just did a little bit something different. It's got kind of the beads around the ring. It is 12.5 inches, and then it's about 3 7/8. Well, let's see, the 3 7/8 is the hole size in the middle. But anyway, that is for the Ekena Millwork ceiling medallion.